So you're getting a divorce and you need to know what happens to the house. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph, and divorce doesn't always result in selling the family home. There are actually a few options to choose from, and the more amicable the divorce is, the more options you may have. The most popular options include selling and dividing the equity, or buying the other party out, or co-owning the home together. And depending on how many large assets need to be divided, one spouse could end up with the home while the other ends up keeping the vacation home or the 401k, for instance. If you are in a community property state, anything acquired during your marriage, debts, money, assets, for instance, need to be divided. Consult with an attorney because there are a few exceptions. Selling and dividing the equity is probably one of the most common choices, but divorcing spouses can agree on a real estate agent or the court can appoint one. Then they can sell the home. And after the existing mortgage and all the fees are paid, although not always split evenly, the spouses split the proceeds. One spouse buying the other out is a possibility, and sometimes selling the family home isn't always the best option if kids are involved or one spouse just doesn't want to sell. In a buyout, the spouse keeping the home pays the other spouse half of the current market value. Again, consult an attorney because there are exceptions. So co-owning the family home, even after the divorce, is risky but possible. Parties will agree who and when payments will be made, and even when the house will be sold, and how proceeds will be divided after the sale. Late payments will affect credit scores of both parties even after the divorce. And don't forget to ask your attorney about capital gains tax. That doesn't sound too complicated, does it? So even the most agreeable divorces can be pretty complex, and hiring the right experts can really make a difference in the process. Again, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and I am available to assist you. Click on the link below for more information. Thank you for watching, and remember, Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.